This is a step-by-step tutorial for teachers to use SCL NAC virtual classrooms. Log in to your account, your NAC account. Go to the groups of students you are scheduled to teach. Then click Create Virtual Classroom. If you want to add multiple classes, you can add the groups of your choice. Always leave the room title as is. Start and join virtual classroom. Select using the microphone. Confirmation that your audio is working. The screen opens to three parts. You have the whiteboard, the chatting panel, and your user list. Now you need to start with your user list. Setting up all the settings, go to the setting icon, then go to the lock viewers. The lock viewers helps you control what the students can do. If you don't want the student to open his camera, you simply lock share webcam. If you don't want the student to see other students in webcam, just lock see other viewers webcam. To disable the student microphone, lock share microphone option. To disable send a public chat message, lock the option. To disable send private chat message, lock the option. To disable edit shared notes, lock the option. To disable see other viewer in the users list, lock this option. Apply the settings of your choice. Now back to your whiteboard. To upload a presentation, go to Add, Upload a Presentation. Browse the files and upload as many files as you need. Please be sensible about the file sizes. Select the ones that you need to have active, then click Upload. Your presentation will appear on the whiteboard immediately. If you want to play a video on the whiteboard, go to Add, and then go to Select the whiteboard. To go to the YouTube, select the video of your choice, then copy the link, go to Action, select Share an external video, paste the link, and share a new video.
It's mandatory for students of grades 5 and up.
The control on the video is yours. You decide to play it
and using their own. Find yourself on the dashboard. Join
pause it,
enter your account,
stop, or end it. To stop playing the video, go to Action and stop Share External Video. Now on the whiteboard, you have tools. You have the text box. You can draw lines, circles, and so forth. You can use your pencil freely, just as you use it on the whiteboard or the smartboard. You can control the font, size and thickness. You can control the color. You can undo what you've done. You can delete. Now the last option, turn Multi-User Whiteboard on. This option allows you and the students to write on the board simultaneously. The name of the users appear on the screen instantly. Now while you're working, you can move from slide 1 to 2, 3, and so forth. You can use the zoom in, You can fit your screen to wide. You can mute the conversation with the students.
You are now muted.
You may
now
open
unmuted.
You may open your camera, which is not preferred, especially if you're working from home. Now, there is an option for you to share your screen. If you need to show the students material from your computer, you have three options. You may share your entire screen. The students will see any screen opened now on your computer. You may use application window, and this is an option for you if you want the students to get access to any application of your choice that you have and they might not have. Applications like the Photoshop application, for example. And you have the option of the Chrome tab. The Chrome tab is simply that you choose an online tab that you opened on the screen with the students. When you're done, stop sharing your screen. Make sure you unselect this option. During or after the presentation, if you wish to post a question to the students, you can either type the question on the whiteboard, open your box, type your question, or you can originally type it to your presentation. Now, when you have the question posted, you go to Action and select Start a Poll. The type of question will open for you. Choose it, and then students will be given the opportunity to give their answers. All the student replies will appear here. You can use all the information that you get from the student answers. There is a second part, which is the public chat. And this is simply used by the teacher and the students. You can send and receive any messages to and from the students. The shared notes is a simple board that you can post notes, and any notes that you post will appear to all the class in attendance. Please note that these notes will not be saved for future usage. Now, the third part is the users list. Go to Settings to clear all status icons, to mute all users, to mute all users except one or more students who you assigned as presenters, save usernames to record live attendance. You may lock viewers as explained earlier. You may create a breakout room to group up students in small groups for activities. Now, this is a very good option if you want to start a group activity in the classroom. You simply choose the number of rooms or the number of groups of students. You decide on the duration of the activity, and then you assign students. You have two options here, either to assign students randomly, so let the system choose the groups, or you decide which student goes to which group. Now create your breakout room. Immediately, this screen will appear to the students and students will start joining the rooms. You can end all breakout rooms when you decide. Please check that your student status is cleared. So for example, if you have a hand raised, you can decide what to do. So you may start a private chat with the student. You may assign the student as a presenter, and then the student will be speaking to all the attendees, or lock the student, or simply clear all the status. The last and most important point, the step of ending the class session. After you finish your class, you have to end meeting. Go to Options and select End Meeting. This is a mandatory step for the system to auto-record and upload the session to the students. Thank you for using NAC portal.